In this video, I'm going to show you how to produce your own indie rock song at home. You'll follow along a couple days of me writing, recording, and producing the entire song from scratch, and learn about the techniques and the equipment I use along the way. So, I want to write a song today, and I want to show you the artistic process I go through to make that happen. First things first, I'll usually write a song about something that's affecting me. Alright, so I'm working on writing lyrics. I decided to write them in, analog style, with a pen and a paper. I had a lot of stress in a relationship, and I carried around that stress for a long time. So I wanted to give myself a chance, just a couple minutes of a song, to not carry that burden and remember all the good times, because they were really good, and I missed them a lot. So, that's what I'm working on. So I started writing. So I want to focus on the good things, casually bring up a couple bad things. Contrast is useful in a song. Again, I'm not a writer, so this is not gospel, but I want it to be like 90% good things. So I got some lyrics. I haven't played a single chord yet. Just gonna give it a shot. I want the guitar to feel melancholy, nostalgic. After somewhat feeling out a chord progression, it was time to dive in a little more to the writing. For this, I wrote a list of things I loved about her. That way I could have a bunch of ideas that I could expand upon with the actual lyrics. After that, I wrote about the things I loved about us being together. So I wrote a little more and practiced performing it to get a feel of how the song would, well, feel. 'Cause we were Cash and Carter, you were all I ever wanted. Now, there's a couple lyrics that I really love that I want to break down for you so you can get a little look inside the writing. We spent a lot of time being extremely stressed out. And for a good while, when we weren't at school or at home, I was there for her, embracing her, trying to fix problems that felt huge at the time. Your face would fit so well between my collarbone and neck. Like that was our home base, a third place we never left. While we circled around the drain with what was fleeting in my mind, now the only home base that we have are moments on a hard drive. Because I love documenting things, there's a lot of footage of us together just sitting on storage. So I thought the idea of our new third place being just a memory on some storage somewhere was kind of like cool juxtaposition. Not entirely sure if juxtaposition is the right word, but it's fun to say. So let me get away with it. Then to shift the perspective a little bit, I wrote a bridge that had a bit more contrast to the rest of the song. I focused the writing on how much I miss those moments and how much I can't just swap in with my past self from those videos to do something that might have fixed the relationship. But I can't take myself over. I can't swap in, can't get closer. I can't feel your thoughts go seeping through my shirt into my shoulder. While I had nothing left to say that wouldn't break you at the time, I can't stand the thought that there's a day when yours is yours and mine is mine. I'm nothing if not honest, and this is probably my most honest song yet, so I wanted to draw a lot of attention to that bridge. Lastly, let me just explain the chorus. I wanted an authentic comparison. A couple that was bonded musically and infatuated with each other, but caused each other a lot of pain. I was thinking, man, I wish I knew a couple that was like that, like something like Johnny Cash and June Carter. And then I thought, Cash and Carter kind of sounds pretty cool. Nice alliteration. Alliteration, by the way, is words that start with the same sound. You probably already knew that. So that felt like the way to go. Anyway, after writing it, I wanted to record a short, little, simple demo. That way I wouldn't have to worry about just forgetting it the next day. So nothing crazy. I just hooked up my SM57, pointed it at the guitar, and recorded. All right. Then I plugged in the condenser mic to record some vocals. Okay. They lost our luggage on our trip. You were such a better singer. 'Cause we were Cash and Carter. You were all I ever wanted. After having the demo recorded, it was time to use the guide to record the final tracks. Today is the day I want to record the final acoustic guitar. I recorded this with an SM57, sounded okay. I think it's probably going to be better to record with a condenser, so I'm going to do that today. First things first, I tracked the acoustic guitar again, and then I tracked it a secondary time so that I could have two tracks I could pan left and right. Okay, our second guitar is recorded. That's good. I like that. Wish I could change it all. I wish I changed his mind. 'Cause now you're just a story from the past I fall in love with every night. That's good. Let's get bass on there now. I think the game plan is to put all the instruments in there across the entire song, and then I can just cut off places I don't want it to be. Like, I don't think I want the bass in the beginning, but if I do, I'll have it, because I'll play the bass through the entire song. Maybe I'll mic up the bass.
'Cause we were Cash and Carter, you were all I ever wanted.
Not sure if I'm entirely satisfied yet, but we'll listen on the big old speakers and see what we think.
But I can't take my...
Nope, bass doesn't work. It's also getting really hot in here. I don't like the way it sounds. I think we'll just DI the bass. So I ran the bass through my favorite plugin, BX Bass Dude. It emulates a Fender Bassman. It sounds great. Then I wanted to add a Rhodes in there, so I opened up Omnisphere and looked for some cool Rhodes sounds. Then I found a synth that could act like a pretty cool little riser to build energy into the chorus. Little riser there. What else do we add? Guitars? I'm thinking maybe guitars. I don't know. Guitar time, guitar time. For this guitar tone, I used Amplitude 5 with some tones from my preset pack for Amplitude 5. That preset pack has over 40 of my most used guitar tones for indie, folk, country, rock. So if you want it, I recommend it. And I'm not just saying that because I sell it. It's actually pretty good.
But I can't take myself over. I can't swap and can't get closer. I can't feel your thoughts go seeping through my shirt into my shirt.
Usually by like halfway through, the song will start to feel pretty rocky. I'm primarily a guitar player and I love rock music. Plus, I mean, rock music is intense and emotional. It's a good way to add intensity and emotions to the song. For the guitar layer specifically, I have a basic rhythm guitar layer that's just playing the chords normally. And then I layered that with a higher part that's a little more rhythmic, a little more melodic. It adds some color and some texture.
Wish I could change it all. I wish I'd change it now.
Not sounding too bad, not sounding too bad. I think it's time for some drums. I think I'm gonna get a real drummer on this, but for now, Superior Drummer will do. To do the drums, I use a drum plugin like Superior Drummer, though something like Easy Drummer or Steven Slate drums or Addictive drums would work just as well, and they're usually cheaper. I play the drums on my MIDI controller, this guy right here. That way I can have a little more human feel because I'm actually, you know, a human pressing buttons. It's not entirely realistic, it's not gonna sound exactly like a real drummer, but it's a lot more realistic than just like using a mouse to click in some MIDI notes. All right, I think it's time to mess around with different ideas here, but not really anything in particular, you know? Just like more of a creative process type of thing. So yeah, let's do that. So I added some synths for some weight. What's up? It's me, and my hair has not gotten any better. There's this little part in the song that has a little riser, a little synth riser. But then after that, there's no synth. Yeah. Whoa. Finally, once the majority of the tracks for the instrumental were there, it was time to record vocals. I stood up to record these vocals because it was easier for me to focus on giving it the energy it needed. Plus, I mean, again, for that bridge, I'm gonna need a lot more energy too. It's gotta feel a lot more emotional, a lot more powerful. So standing up was the move. Vocal time. Also, you ever notice those alcohol bottles up there? So cringe. By the way, hi, I'm Matt. I'm a producer that helps artists go from demo to drop, kind of like exactly what I'm doing in this video right now. So if you make indie, folk, or rock music and you want to work with me, click the work with me link in the description below. I'd love to connect.
They lost our luggage on our trip.
Don't like it. You want to make sure you get good vocal takes. Obviously Autotune and Melodyne can like fix the notes, but there's no plugin that can just give you emotion in your voice. Can't really fix that. Reverb. Reverb, where you at, Reverb? Feels like I'm recording pretty fucking hot, but why is it? Check, 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 check.
While we circled round the drain with what was fleeting in our mind. Highs, 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 highs. Our moments on a hard drive. Cause we were Cash and Carter.
Then it was time for the bridge vocals, which again were supposed to be the most emotional vocals. So my voice kind of falls apart like a little bit while I'm singing. Not too much, but like I'm falling off notes. I'm very clearly giving more power to it.
But I can't take myself over. I can't swap and can't get closer. I can't feel your thoughts go seeping through my shirt into my shoulder, while I had nothing left to say that wouldn't break you at the time. I can't stand the thought that there's a day where yours is yours and mine is mine.
And with that, it was time to stack some doubles.
But I can't take myself over.
And stack some harmonies.
But I can't take myself over. I can't swap and can't get closer.
Harmonies are something I'm not great at teaching, but in general for this part I wanted a higher vocal to layer with, so I did that, and then I did another one, and that felt like it added some good emotion.
Wish I could change it all. I wish I'd change his mind. 'Cause now you're just a story. Cause now you're just a story from the past I fall in love with every night.
And with that, it was time for a mix. I like to mix as I record, so the track is more or less mixed by the time I'm recording vocals, leaving the vocals to be really the only thing that needs to be finished off. If you'd like some insight into the entire mixing process, check out my membership Bachelor Plus. You'll get access to the presets and the mixing deep dive to this project. And you can also schedule a call with me. It's pretty cool. Anyway, after 3 days, I had a track I was proud of. This is what it sounds like.
They lost our luggage on our trip. You were such a better singer. Forgot the baggage to your skin. I wish your hair curled round my finger like it did when we were kids, and we had nothing but desire. Really tested all your patience, but at least I killed some fires. Face would fit so well between my collarbone and neck, like that was our home base, a third place we never left, while we circled round the train with what was fleeting in our minds. Now the only home base that we have are moments on a hard drive. 'Cause we were Cash and Carter, you were all I ever wanted. The highs I never fought for, and the lows that left us haunted. Wish I could change it all. Wish I could change his mind. Now you're just a story from the past I fall in love with every night. Would pierce my skull, and your words could fill the ocean. Counter melodies you spoke, we were always art in motion. And my family doesn't talk much, I can never read them either. But my sister really loves you, now it's pretty hard to see her. 'Cause we were Cash and Carter, you were all I ever wanted. The highs I never fought for, and the lows that left us haunted. Wish I could change it all. Wish I could change his mind. 'Cause now you're just a story from the past I fall in love with every night. But I can't take myself over. I can't swap and can't get closer. I can't feel your thoughts go seeping through my shirt into my shoulder, while I had nothing left to say that wouldn't break you at the time. I can't stand the thought that there